how to find stock option premium. In this video, we will be discussing how to find stock option premium, because this video is a simple guide to find stock option premium. But what is stock option premium? Stock option premium is the cost to buy an option. Option premium is given to the seller of the option. So you have a person buying an option. Money, called a premium, flows out of that person's account into the account of the person selling the option. Option premium does not include commissions, fees, regulatory fees, any other type of charges imposed on the transaction. This link is to a video that not only will help you find option premium for various stocks, but it will also calculate return on investment for various option strategies. You can pause this video right now and go and watch that one and come back and finish this, or you can finish this video till the end and you can get that same link in the description below this video. Option chain. Option chain is the answer to this video. What is the option chain? The option chain, or options matrix, shows all available put-call options, including their expiration dates. And there's a variety of other data that you could have included or have taken out of there. And the option chain also includes the option premium for a stock. And it's set up in a spreadsheet format. So how to find stock option premium? Look in the option chain. These two pictures are option chains for Johnson & Johnson. At first glance, they would look extremely similar, but let's take a closer look. We see here, it's a bit blurry, but we still see that what we're looking at here is the option chain expiring in 16 days. So August 25th, 2022. And the slower picture is the option chain that expires in 30 days, September 9th, 2022. We see that it's separated into two sides. You have the call side and you have the put side. Right now we're looking at the put side, and you see this bid and ask. Well, what is the bid and ask? The bid is the premium received from selling an option. The ask is the premium paid for buying an option. And it happens to be in this particular Thinkorswim brokerage account that I took the picture from. I also have the last displayed, which you do not necessarily have to have that. And this last shows the most recent trade price. Option contract size and premium. One option contract equals 100 shares of stock. So to get the total premium amount, multiply the bid or ask by 100 to have the total option premium per contract. For example, if we were looking at the put option with the 160 strike price, if we wanted to sell that option, we would take this 82 cents times 100 shares equals $82 per one put option contract sold. If we wanted to buy that same $160 strike price, we would take $1.05 times 100 shares and have a total of $105. Quick disclaimer. This does not necessarily mean you got filled. This is theoretical. Until you actually have your position filled, then that's the number you're going to be dealing with. But these are the potential possibilities that you could get filled at. Let's look at my Tastyworks account and look at an actual option chain on a technology ETF, XLK. So we're now in my Tastyworks brokerage account, and we are looking at the ticker symbol XLK, which is an ETF of technology stocks. This is the 2-year chart, and each one of these red or green candlesticks here is representing 1 week. And right here shows us the last price that XLK closed at. So let's look at XLK option chain. We see here we have a variety of dates. We see down here these numbers correspond with these dates, meaning how many days left. So for example, we have, say, August 19th. August 19th would be 9 days left till expiration. Let's open up 16 days till expiration. All right, so we have 16 days till expiration. We got the strike price going down the middle, which we saw that the XLK was around $144 on its chart. So right here is showing us that. This is the put side. This is the call side. In here we have our bid, we have our ask on each side. So if we wanted to buy or sell a $143 strike price for XLK, $143, we could potentially take in 30 cents per contract times 100 contracts, so $30. And if we wanted to buy the same contract, we would pay $5 times 100 shares, so $500 for that same contract. The difference between these two is called the bid-ask spread. There's a lot of different things as you learn more option strategies, how that becomes effective, but just know that the difference between these two is called the bid-ask spread. Now let's look at a call option of 148. So the call option for 148, really similar. If you wanted to sell this option, you would take in 30 cents times 100 equals $30. And if you wanted to buy this contract, you would pay $5 times 100 per share, $500. So where do you find stock option premium? You find stock option premium in the option chain. You can also use websites like this that I was referring to at the beginning of this video, and there'll be a link to this URL in the description below. But you can use websites like this to do more than just find the option premium, but calculate various return on investments 4 different strategies in different strike prices using different expiration times. Have fun playing with it. Lastly, I want to invite you to come to ihavesuccess.com, and at the moment I have 4 different free downloads. One of them is cash secured put option selection guide, which if you want to know how to sell cash secured put options, there's going to be a link popping up at the end of this video to about a 23-minute long video that goes in pretty good detail about how to sell cash secured put options. But this will help you select a stock to do that on. Also, there is another download that tells you 3 different stocks I personally sell cash secured put options on and why I like them. There's a stock option Greeks cheat sheet for you to download, and my personal favorite, 3 underused tactics to transform your financial results. Although these tactics are not specifically stock market related, all of them, and absolutely number 3, will help transform all your financial results anywhere, including the stock market. So ladies and gentlemen, like this video, subscribe to the channel, download your free stuff at ihavesuccess.com, and you guys have a fantastic day, whatever day it is you're watching this. Aloha.